Good morning, all. Alright, this is day 3. We're going to be removing the boiler. So, I'm doing this by myself, so I'm going to try hitting it with a jackhammer and see if it cracks it. Hopefully it does. If not, I'm going to have to get some help and get some man hours into this, removing it. But I tried doing it with a sledgehammer, but I couldn't. There's not enough leverage here to break it. So let's try with the jackhammer and see how it goes.
Hey guys, I'm back. Getting my face shield. Well, you definitely see it works. So, made a hole right here. Look. So let me get some fans to suck all this dust out. We'll be right back.
Alright guys, so we know it breaks with the jackhammer. So right now what I did is I took out the window on the side here. I put the exhaust fan to go out. And right now I'm putting up some plastic so it doesn't go into the bathroom over here.
Some water and spray this down. Okay, I'm back. I just want to get some water. Turn this water on. Shower. Here. If we need it again. cut and hammer, that's it. Easiest way of doing it. Okay guys, I'm back. Just taking a little break, but the best way to cut this is to use a sledgehammer and the grinder. So what I did is here is cut the line into it. You're gonna weaken it by cutting the line, and you just take the sledgehammer and you hit it. Cracks right off. So what I'm doing here is just going around the machine, going around the boiler, sorry, or furnace, whatever you want to call it. See, I cut the straight line right through it. So as I go, I break, then I cut. Break and cut. That's what I've been doing. This is my mess right here. It's a lot of sludge coming out of here. It's nasty. I threw some sand on the floor, because you're gonna need it to soak up all that dirty water. As you can see, I do a video of me breaking it right now. Just give me a minute. Let me set up. Right now I got no.
So right now I'm just taking out all the bolts because I'm ready to lift this off and I'm going to spin this around so I can break it, or I can just stop it. I think I can lift this. Lift it and bring it there. I can do this. If you're not confident, you're not going to get anywhere. Okay. I got it. See? That was badass. That was badass. Okay, what's next? A lot of sludge in here, which I think I'm gonna scrape it. Maybe just throw it in a bag or something. Hose. Do flat. Yeah. Oh, the bitch. This should look like a big ass dumbbell. Oh. How does this piece come out? I wonder if I can break it. Should feel heavy. as heavy as hell. Yeah. I think one whack at it, I think we'll be good. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll come back on Monday with a part 4.